Hey guys, my name is Chef Ricardo. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make our signature Chef's Way burger. We start with our cornmeal dusted potato bun and our American house ground beef. From there, we start building your burger. We have our signature black garlic mayo, house-made pickles. We have our hardwood smoked special bacon that goes on top of that. Then we have our cheese trio. You have to come in to find out what those are. On top of that, we top it with our red oak lettuce that is tossed in our signature balsamic dressing. And from there, slice of perfectly ripened red tomato, sliced red onion. On top of that, we finish it off with our signature onion marmalade, and then we send it out to you within 10 minutes of you ordering it. Hey guys, if you like what you heard, feel free to come on in whenever you'd like. We are following all the CDC guidelines in light of the whole COVID situation. And if you prefer to eat it at home, we also have takeout, we have carryout, we have curbside, and we also have a bunch of online platforms that you can order from. So please feel free, and I hope to see you soon.